Dude, that's not swollen enough.
Okay, I'm recording for my channel. You guys want to say who you are?
I'm Gage. I'm Tyler.
Gage and Tyler. We're going to go out in this pool into the river. And they were very lucky to have these two gentlemen come along and have a pump.
Does it fill the bottom? No.
Of course, my dog has a tendency to swim out to
Thank you, gentlemen.
things like
I
that.
might come take a chunk out of your burger.
Okay, Tyler, bring any devices you got.
Yeah, there's a good idea. See, you're putting them in a bag.
I accidentally brought this.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. They'll get lighter as we
What was that?
Nintendo Switch.
So,
I brought it by accident.
Oh,
Yeah.
there.
Broke my charging cord.
maybe you guys should wait and see how they do. You might have to.
Oh,
No, I just kidding.
For sure.
Want the phone in there?
Keep an eye. Let's put this stuff in the back.
Wallet? Alright.
We get it?
Yeah.
Well, where's the better spot? I got my phone in here. I probably shouldn't be bringing that even. You want to put it in the car? Probably shouldn't be in it. Mine's waterproof.
Today is July the 1st, 2019. And here we go. We're going out. Yeah.
You're gonna get in on land. Get in the boat.
Going out in the...
I'm gonna scratch it if I get in on land.
Oh, I love that pool.
Okay. Alright, hop in, I guess.
Without,
My feet are wet.
take one of these.
Hop in, I guess. Oh god, okay.
Hold the bottom of the thing.
Hop in.
You want me to push you out?
Why is there water in here?
That's why I brought mine.
No, it's on the bottom.
No,
You want me to pull you out? You get in and I'll pull you out. Here. There you go.
You gotta be careful getting out there because you don't want to put a hole in it.
Yeah. Maybe you should wait.
Maybe you should get in on the way out.
Yeah. I'll take it out for you. You want to get deep enough, right?
Yeah.
So you should at least come out to probably here.
Ready?
There you go.
That's a better spot to get in.
Okay.
You're going to sink when you go there for a minute. It is. I can tell right now.
Only one person.
You got a little water in it already, but I think this should have been pumped a little more.
We're not smart.
This will be on channel Trigger Horse 1.
Trigger Horse 1.
Yeah.
I'll look on YouTube.
Yeah, you're on it.
I got music on there.
Oh.
I really don't.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Here, get your legs out. Get in.
Okay.
No, get in.
Okay.
Get in. There. Here, I'll hold it. You get in. You're all right.
Should work with two people. Come on, Tyler.
Yep.
Get in here, bud.
It might.
That's fine.
Let's hurry up. Get in quick.
He didn't mean to go in with his boots on,
All right,
but
lads. Let's get in.
there you go, pal.
Oh my God, it's working.
Wait, it is. Yeah, it is. You should have. You know what? You should have brought a baler. What do you guys think?
Oh no, my glasses.
Is that yours over there?
Nope.
Where the hell that come from?
That's so funny.
Start paddling.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Totally worth coming down here just to see that.
Oh man, I'm blessed to watch this.
What's the name of the channel?
Trigger Horse 1.
Alrighty, I'll check her out.
Yeah, you go to YouTube and put Trigger Horse 1 in.
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, you're right. You might.
You guys should. You guys should get in that current.
Yeah, that's where we're going. Oh no, we're going wherever.
I think if you had a little more air, it would have been better. What do you guys think?
I think so.
Yeah, a little more pumping. And you know what? I gotta say it.
Should have brought some new
I would, in my opinion,
This food doesn't really actually go into the freezer. Feel like you don't actually wait for it to get in.
It does actually.
It does. It does.
Yeah.
Oh, somewhere over there.
It goes to the reservation. At the
Yeah.
end.
Oh, fun. So
And then that enters into the freezer.
We'll call the government. If we get them.
Are we going up?
have to make the mega pile too.
I don't think you guys are going to get through there.
Hey, you guys know the rafting course down there? They want to go just before this.
You should go the other way.
The rafting course?
That's too thick.
I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Is it on north?
The- These young guys aren't even drunk. Go get them, Roscoe. Go get them. Hey, fellas, you made my Canada Day. Because my family's away today? Yeah, really. Thank you. And anyway, you aren't going to drown. It's not deep enough.
You can drown in a teaspoon of water.
Too bad you didn't have a paddle or something. If you really want to go, you've got to get in that current.
Yeah, I think we're slowly heading. Yeah.
Try it. You can always paddle back.
Trigger horse 1?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. I'll look it up.
Trigger horse 1.
Trigger horse 1?
Yeah.
Sure.
Isn't that easy to remember? Look at these guys. I'm still videoing you. Try to get in the current. You don't want to go down there.
Right.
Oh, you guys are funny. You're getting there. If you get a chance, grab a stick. You know what I mean? That you could push it down. Yeah. Yeah, good idea. There. Yeah. Oh, this is funny.
I'm hitting fishing line. Oh God.
Hey, you should get at the other end.
Yeah.
Like you're both at the same end.
The hell?
Oh, somebody's fishing line. Did you get a fish? Come on, you can get around that corner.
There we go. It really does. Oh God. Okay, we're almost over.
Yeah. Come on, you can do it.
Let's get in the puddle too.
Try to get one guy at one end and one at the other.
Okay, yeah, it's really good. Okay, so you put that in.
Yeah. Try that.
Okay. Like that. My backpack is ridiculously wet. There's a lot of water here. Oh. You know what? Never mind.
Try to get out near the middle.
Oh, okay, there we go. We're going a little bit faster now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe you should get out and push it.
No.
Well, he could. He could.
Almost.
He could get out. Oh, you got it. You got it. Come on. Are you there? You're off. Good man.
Slowly but surely.
Hey! Great, guys.
Bye.
Yeah. Remember, Trigger Horse 1.
Yep.
I'll put it up tonight. Good luck.